you can probably tell from the title of this video, I voted for Donald Trump. I don't think it's probably a surprise to you because I think actually a few months ago when the election was going on, I publicly did state that I'm voting for Donald Trump. But if you watch any of my videos, you can probably tell I'm a conservative Republican, and you know, I just believe our country needs to head towards more traditional values, American values, and to resemble, you know, what our forefathers created. And I do not think the media gives an accurate representation, which I think Donald Trump is calling out the media publicly, which I think is a very noble thing to do, because the media is completely far left and is completely trying to destroy our country's traditional values. And if anybody has, you know, hard work ethic, they don't value that. They value, you know, just degenerates, corrupt behavior, cruel behavior. It's just sad to see what the media values, and it's sad to say it, but they're controlled by a few elite individuals on Wall Street, generally in New York City, but some other cities too, who have billions of dollars, who can start a culture filled with left-wing policies in order to promote their own good and their own desires. But I mean, those aren't the desires of the American people. I think that is the number one thing that Trump is able to call out, and that's basically the first president I've seen to call out the media and say what they're worth. Because there are a lot of people like me who still support Donald Trump, but the media never says anything about that. But I'm not afraid to come out and say I still support Trump, and I'll vote for him again.